In this video, we will compare TCL Note A1 Next Paper versus the Kindle Scribe. So here we have in here this Reddit thread showing us how it can be made. Now, as you can see, they are choosing between Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and TCL Note A1 Next Paper. So they're usually for handwritten annotations, viewing and exporting all those annotations separately, and doing AI search of handwriting. As you can see right here, some users actually find this quite volatile, and you can see that this is actually not a good option for this case as well. TCL NXTPAPER is productivity focused Android tablet designed for eye comfort, which challenges the Kindle Scribe's 1.2-inch monochrome e-ink screen. So it excels with 256 gigabyte storage with AI transcription, which is good for this particular use case, and smoother 120 Hz display. The Scribe offers superior battery life, however, because it have several wicks for it and a true reflection-free e-ink experience. That's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.